guys. So this morning we are at the Appalachian Trail Lodge in Millinocket, and like yesterday, before we summited, we're getting a shuttle from Old Man, and we're going to go up, and we're going to just do that 10 miles that takes you up the backside, the AT, up to the Birches. So there's that 10 miles inside the park prior to the actual trail to Katahdin. So we're going to push that off this morning, just get that done, and then hook back up with Random, and then we will head to Bangor later today. So I'll get back with you. Okay guys, here's the start of this, well, the start was back behind me a little bit, but the end of the day is the start of this little, I guess, 9-mile trail. 9 point something, I think. Anyway, it's all good. We're just going to push through this, frankly, as quickly as possible. Probably do nothing but trail running today, to tell you the truth. I need to get this done, as I had mentioned back at the lodge. Just got to cover this area to make sure that I've seen every white blaze or passed by every white blaze and hiked the entirety of the trail. I'll show you something if there's anything. We did see a moose coming in to the park today. Maybe we might get lucky at one of the ponds and see one. That'd be kind of cool to show you. Otherwise, I don't expect too much, frankly, on this trail. All right, guys, here we are. This, I believe, is the Daisy Pond. I don't see any moose. I was hoping, but the edges aren't quite as swampy as they should be, so not quite as much vegetation, so it doesn't surprise me. I continue to run along here, literally. So was probably doing like 3.5 miles an hour or so. So I'm gonna get back to that. And again, I will bring up anything that I can show for you. Here we go. Okay guys, I know I didn't shoot much video. Oh, if you look behind me, you'll recognize that entering the Baxter State Park sign. So that was the, you go past that sign, 9.4 miles up to the Katahdin stream campsite. That begins the climb to the summit. So that was the gap that I had missed when Random's feet didn't want to go beyond the 18 miles we had already done 2 days ago. Yesterday, as you know, we did the summit. Only 2 hours and 32 minutes to get up to the top. Pretty fast, pretty good. And then coming today, 9.4 miles, just did it 2 hours. 2 hours and 52 minutes, 2 hours and 48 minutes. 2 hours, 48 minutes to do 9.4 miles. So now I'm trying to think of what is the best way to get out of this here area and get back to Millinocket. Whether to hit the A-Ball Bridge or to take the A-Ball Trail, which is right there, over to the main road out of the park. This is not easy, actually. So I think I will go to the bridge. I think it's faster for people to come. Our driver today out of Appalachian Trail Lodge was an old man. He took the Crawfords. By the way, yeah, I had breakfast with the Crawfords this morning. Good chat with them. They were doing their sort of modified summit. Remember, Baxter being neither a national park nor really a state park, but being a privately, sort of quasi-privately owned, almost like a non-governmental organization owned park, state, with under state authorities. They have different rules. They can do whatever the heck they want, basically. And one of the things that they do is they restrict the age. I don't know if it's like 4, 3, something like that, 5 maybe. Kids under a certain age cannot go above tree line into the exposed part of the Katahdin peak. So, naturally, since the Crawfords have a 2-year-old with them, there was a restriction there. So as a family, they're going up to the tree line, and then that will be their summit, and they will come down, immediately jump on a plane, and go to some sort of summer camp for the kids. So that's cool. So from us, if I can get back to the hotel reasonably efficiently, then we will probably have old man or somebody take us to Bangor, where we can rent a car, and then we will go to either Monson or to Andover, where I can start my catch up. Those miles so okay, here we are. Let's get her done.